Good day to my future employer. I am Willamay Orlaza, 29 years old, single, and from the Philippines. My current contract will end on November 17, 2025. Right now, I am taking care of a 15-year-old boy and a 10-year-old girl. I do the cleaning, the cooking, groceries, marketing, bringing and picking up Moy Moy in her school and other activity. I have certificate in caregiving in the Philippines and I studied caregiving here in Hong Kong. I do also have knowledge in first aid, CPR, and AED. I am dedicated and committed person. I love working with teenagers. However, I am very grateful if I have the chance to take care elderly because I grew up with my grandparents. Although I do not have enough experience in taking care of elderly, but I can assure you I can bring the love, the respect, and patience to my work. I'm a quiet person sometimes, but I have a pure and good heart. Thank you, and check my profile in Helper Library app.